Hello, in this short video I'm going to talk to you about Rust crate called pretty-assertions. So if you have already used Rust and you write tests for your code, and I suggest that you do because it's a good practice to write tests, you probably have seen the assert equal macro, which basically takes two expressions and tries to equal them, and if it couldn't make them see them as equals, it tries to tell you what's the difference. So let me comment this out, right? And try to make this not okay. So how can I do that? Let's say, yes, the simplest would be to just delete something from here. So if I run now, it would give me, okay, so it would give me that left is something. Left means basically, so this is my left. Left means basically my code that gets run, and right is my expected code. So left is this, right is this, and it's really hard. And this is even not the largest thing I have been worked in these last few days in this compiler I'm writing. And if you want to know about this compiler, you can watch its series. I will link it somewhere in here or here. So it is not even the largest thing I have been trying to understand what's the difference. It's really hard even in this small case. So now let's add this pretty-assertions library. So let's add it. And let's try to run the test again. So if I run the test again, now you see, yes. So now you see that it shows the difference in a really good format. Format that is sometimes reminds me of git diff, but basically it says, okay, you don't have this in your right. So basically your right has this, and your left doesn't have anything in comparison. So this is really good way and simple way to know about why your tests are failing, and basically most of the times it will show you what's the problem. It's a really good package, and I suggest you use it as well. So if you like this content and you want me to follow producing this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and you can always contact me on Twitter and various places. Until the next video, goodbye.